So here we have the Mercedes-Benz CLK320 on an 04 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a two-door convertible, of course, with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, and given that it's convertible, a decent amount of boot space there as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's a great looking car the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, the first thing I want to show you is the electric seat controls. So we have the same controls on both driver and passenger side. This is the driver's side, of course. You can see that not only can we adjust the seat electrically, but we've got 3 memory settings as well. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the speedometer in the centre, rev counter on the right-hand side. We've also got the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges up there as well, and the total mass for this car, which is 72,687. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have the ability to be able to change information that's displayed in that central section just there. Over in the centre, you'll find the main screen for the car. But before we come to that, just above that, we have a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, particularly useful in a convertible, of course, and the same for the passenger. We can turn our parking sensors on and off. We can turn off the traction control. Deadlocks as well for the car available just there. And then the main screen where you can access your AM, FM radio. You're able to use the CD player that you can see at the top of the unit just there. And this car's got satellite navigation as well. A nice clear colour display. It's a very easy system to use. We've got the main volume for the stereo just here. And then beneath that, the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the temperature for passenger and driver, the direction the air is being distributed in, and the fan speed. When you're happy with those settings, you can turn your air conditioning off from here. Otherwise, at the moment, it's turned on. Or you hit auto. In doing so, the car will take control of the fan speed, which you can hear it doing in the background, so that it can maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. If you press auto again, you'll turn that system back off again. We have some storage just inside here, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. And this button, of course, operates the roof, which I'll show you now. So the roof is very simple. Just hold the button back towards the rear of the car. You'll see the tailgate section that this folds into is now opened up. The roof will begin folding into that section. And once this part starts, it's very, very quick. The tailgate will shut, and that is the roof done. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.